Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Shark vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Shark Apex Upright Vacuum, AZ1002. Shark Apex Upright Vacuum, AZ1002, is one of the best full-sized upright models you can find in the market. This Shark vacuum offers DuoClean technology. The cleaner efficiently grabs large dirt particles and stores away piles of amassed dirt to give hard floors a clean and polished look. This set comes with a powered lift-away feature so that you can clean your ceilings or underneath your furniture sets. Just push a button to activate this feature. This model also features the highly rated 0M technology, which cleans up pet hair of all sizes pretty efficiently. Overall, the Shark Apex Upright Vacuum actively deep cleans all forms of dirt, small and large particles of dust, pet hair, human hair, and cobwebs. Gliding these models while enforcing strong suction power is really easy. This smooth glide ability, combined with the powered lift-away feature, makes these cleaners extremely maneuverable on all surfaces. It comes with anti-allergen seals and a HEPA filter. All dust and allergens get permanently trapped in the vacuum. Overall, you are guaranteed to get a smooth cleaning experience, be it on hard floors or carpets. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Shark Rotator Lift-Away DuoClean Pro with Self-Cleaning Brushroll Upright Vacuum. This upright vacuum from Shark has revolutionized the way in which the carpet and floor are cleaned. Users are overjoyed with it as it bestows high portability. You require detaching the pod for seeking the lift-away mode for cleaning different above-floor areas, like stairs and furniture. DuoClean technology is an outstanding feature that is meant for deep cleaning the carpets. By engaging the floors directly, you will impart a polished look into it. In addition to this, people are passionate about this item as the self-cleaning brush roll is beneficial in removing the pet hair and long hair without any hair wrap. Another characteristic that sets this vacuum apart from others is the HEPA filter, which can be useful in trapping all the allergens and dust. The complete anti-allergen seal technology is another integral point of this vacuum. It is compassed with the powerful LED headlights located on the nozzle, which removes the hidden debris in your home. Moving it in those corners, tight spaces, and around the furniture has become a cakewalk due to the presence of the advanced swivel steering. At number 3, we have the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum from Shark has the perfect combination of performance and intelligence. Once every cleaning session is completed, the robot vacuum empties the specific dustbin automatically into the bagless base that collects the debris and dirt. The self-cleaning brush roll is another primary feature of this item, which is beneficial in removing the long hair and pet hair. This Shark vacuum does justice to the potential audience with the powerful suction which helps in tackling the small and large debris, as well as stuck-on dust, present on the carpets and floors. Moreover, the angled side brushes of this item clean the corners and edges deeply to clean the debris, dirt, and dust easily. The combination of the re-engineered brush roll, powerful suction, and high-efficiency filter is suitable for collecting the allergens, dander, and dust. Because of app and voice control, you will be capable of telling the robot the time and place of cleaning through voice control. The best part of this vacuum is that it knows the time to return to the recharges to the base. Home mapping allows you to choose the rooms, which requires immediate cleaning. You will be successful in scheduling the whole home clean via the application. It confers 50% coverage by cleaning the rooms and rows without repeating any area. At number 2, we have the Shark Rocket Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum. This ultra-lightweight, versatile vacuum is characterized by a powerful suction that handles daily cleaning without any challenges. The brush roll of this product engages hard floors. Some users have found the extensive use of it for removal of the dirt, dust, and fine debris. It is also used for deep cleaning in almost every place. This deep cleaning suction confers the desired power, which is necessary for handling the most challenging messes. With the aid of the attachments and hand vacuum, you will be capable of cleaning the tight spaces. Because of the different versatile attachments, it becomes a wonderful alternative for cleaning the shelves and upholstery. The bristle brush roll is another salient feature of this model, which takes the dust and dirt on the floors and carpets. It includes the ultra-light frame for easy maneuverability and handheld. The powerful LED lights of his unit remove the hidden debris present at your home. The high-capacity dust cup which is accommodated in it takes care of those prolonged cleaning sessions. With the runtime of 40 minutes, it is possible to tackle those tough messes in no time. Weighing about 7.5 pounds, it can be transformed into the hand vacuum so that you can clean those hard-to-reach areas at ease. And finally at number 1, we have the Shark UpLight Upright Vacuum. The ultralight versatility and vacuum suction of this Shark vacuum is ruling the heart of the targeted audience. It confers the innovation, ease, and power so that you will clean the hard-to-reach areas at ease. It offers a direct airflow path so that you will enjoy a deep cleaning performance. An extendable built-in hose is associated with it, which provides cleaning the tight spaces, bookshelves, couches, to name a few. Till now, nothing has impressed the users more than the DuoClean technology, which is essentially a dual brush roll system, which is useful in deep cleaning the carpets. This self-cleaning brush roll of this brand assists in removing the pet hair and long hair without any hair wrap. The HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal technology are the other known aspects of this product, which is excellent in trapping the allergens and dust present in the vacuum cleaner. This Shark vacuum available in 2 different colors. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.